In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your site title in WordPress for 2025 fast and easy, and we'll get it done in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're setting up a new site or you're just looking to refresh your existing one, changing your site title is a great way to rebrand and ensure that your visitors know what your site is all about. So let's dive right in and walk through this simple step-by-step process. First, head over to wordpress.com. You can do this on any web browser, whether you're on a computer, tablet, or even your phone. Once you've arrived at the homepage, look towards the top right corner of your screen. There you'll see the option to log in. Go ahead and click on that. Now, if you've previously created your WordPress account using Google, continue by clicking Continue with Google. This will save you some time and eliminate the need to remember another password. After clicking, you'll be prompted to choose the Google account that you want to use. If you have multiple Google accounts logged in, simply select the correct account associated with your WordPress site. Once you're logged in, we want to navigate to the section where we can make changes to the appearance of our site. Start by clicking on Appearance. This is where you can access all of your theme settings and customization options. After you've arrived at the Appearance section, look for an option labeled Customize. This area will lead you to all sorts of personalization settings for your WordPress site. In this Customize area, you'll want to locate the Site Identity section. This is where the magic happens, as it contains the settings for your site title. Click on Site Identity, and a menu will appear with several fields. You'll see the site title field, which is what we're looking to change. Go ahead and click on the site title field, and simply highlight the existing title. Now type in the new site title you have in mind. Keep it relevant and reflective of what your site offers or represents to make a strong impression on visitors and help with search engine visibility. Once you've successfully changed your site title, be sure to save your changes. Look towards the top left corner of your screen and find the Save button. Click it to ensure your new site title is updated and live for everyone to see, and there you have it. It's as simple as that to change your site title in WordPress. This small change can make a big difference in how users perceive your website and how easily they find it. Be sure to periodically review other aspects of your site to maintain a fresh and engaging online presence. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing!